I'm going to take a look at Masterbox's Strange Company Space Adventure Series. These kits are 1/24 scale. They retail around $15 each, and they are available online or at your local hobby shop. I always start with the box. Beautiful box art. Box art's done by the great V. Petalin on all three kits, and the sculptor of the kit is A. Gargarin on all three kits. I'll start off with Back Off. Beautiful box art for the front. The back of the box shows the character's name, gives also a little bio and a suggestive color guide. The kit itself comes molded in gray styrene. You do get one sheet of paper which tells you the story of the Strange Company Space Adventure series, and the back of the is the instructions. The kit itself molded in gray styrene, just like the other kits. Very, very sharp, no flash whatsoever, and detail on it is just extremely sharp on it. Nicely detailed. There's the head. Second kit is Don't Even Think About It. Again, beautiful box art. Back of the box shows the name of the character and a bio and a suggestive paint guide. Again, kit molded in gray styrene. You do get a piece of paper that shows you the Strange Company Space Adventure series and the assembly guide. Kit itself, very, very clean. Detail on it, very, very sharp. That's the bar stool. And the figure itself. Again, very, very sharp. Up next, wow, I like it. Basically a three-figure kit. Again, beautiful box art. The back of the box shows you the characters' names, a little bio of each character, and a suggestive paint guide. Again, this kit, molded in gray styrene, do get a piece of paper that shows you the story and assembly guide on the back. Again, kit molded in gray styrene, basically three trees. And robot here, very, very sharp, even the weapons. The male mercenary. The sculpt on him is excellent. And the android waitress. Absolutely fantastic kit. I highly recommend the Masterbox's Strange Company Space Adventure series.